Nearly a year after her body was discovered on her husband's property, Dee Warner's family is seeking a $100 million wrongful death suit against Dale Warner, the man accused of killing her. Michael Sandlin sat in on the announcement and joins us in the studio tonight. Mike, why did they file this at this time?
Well, Melissa, Todd Flood, the lawyer representing Dee's children, says it's what the families owed after years of heartache and legal fees trying to prove their mom is deceased. Now that Dale is behind bars and set for trial in September, the family is ready to get back the money they say is rightfully theirs.
Oh, Dee would absolutely want her kids to have that money.
For over 4 years now, Dee Warner's children have been certain they weren't going to see their mom again, and they've dropped thousands trying to prove it.
Well into six figures. We had to go through what is called a declaration of death trial. Dee was missing, the body was missing, all during that time frame. Dale knew where the body was.
It's been a long and expensive road, but thanks to Dale's arrest last year and a new civil suit filed Wednesday, Dee's kids might be able to get something back for all their effort, the family assets, courtesy of Todd Flood and his legal team.
We're going to sue for $100 million.
That number might seem unthinkable, but family friend Catherine Adams says they're still calculating Warner's wealth, and it goes well into the 7 figures.
There's numerous businesses, there's a lot of land, there's a lot of assets, and then of course Dee and Dale each had, personal assets as well as all of their joint assets.
Flood says they're already working to freeze Dale's access to his assets, and once they actually get in court, proving this civil case and having them stripped entirely shouldn't be difficult.
We have an avalanche of evidence. The case was already bound over for trial in the criminal case. You got to remember, in a civil case, I just have to show by a preponderance of the evidence that he killed his wife.
So, with the civil case filed and the possibility that Dee's 4 children will finally have the family assets out of the hands of Dale, what's their plan for it? Adams says their first focus is family.
They really have a priority of taking care of their minor sister that unfortunately has lost both of her parents because of this situation. So I know that their biggest goal is to make sure that she is taken care of.
Now, the civil case was filed just today, so there's no start date quite yet. But Flood says Dale is set to be served in jail and will be given 21 days to respond. Meanwhile, his criminal trial is still set for September. In studio, I'm Michael Sandlin for WTOL 11.